With nearly 60% of consumers preferring restaurants that prioritize eco friendly practices, the surge in plant based dining options is more than a trend. It's a response to a growing demand for meals that not only taste good, but do good. But sustainability doesn't end with what we eat. It extends to how we manage what's left behind. The fight against food waste is on, with the industry finding innovative ways to give leftovers new life. It's a culinary challenge that's turning potential waste into delicious opportunities.